In this video, we have been given O is in center of triangle ABC and angle BAC is 90 degrees. Area of AOC is 2. Area of AOCB is 5 and angle ABC is x. Then we have to find x. So O, it is in center. That means in triangle ABC, it is A, B, C. If we make a circle inside ABC, then the center of the circle, it will be O, and suppose this point is P, this point is Q, and this point is S, then OP, OQ and OS, OP, it will be equal to OQ, it will be equal to OS, that will be radius. Suppose H, and in any circle, radius and tangent, they are perpendicular on each other. So OP, it will be perpendicular on AB, OQ, it will be perpendicular on BC, and OS, it will be perpendicular on AC. So from point O, if we make a perpendicular on AB, suppose this point is P, if we make a perpendicular on BC, suppose this point is Q, and if we make a perpendicular on AC, suppose this point is S, and if OP is H, then OQ, it will be H, and OS, it will be H. And if we join BO, then we have area of AOCB is 5, and suppose area of BOC is A, then area of AOB, it will be 5 minus A. If this area is A, then this area, it will be 5 minus A. And now area of AOC, it will be 1/2 times base is AC and height is OS, that is h, it is 2. So AC, it will be 2 times 2, that will be 4 over h, and area of BOC, it will be 1 over 2 times base is BC and height is OQ, that is h, and it is A. That means BC, it will be 2A over h, and area of AOB, it will be 1 over 2 times base is AB and height is OP, that is h, and it is 5 minus A. So AB, it will be 2 times 5 minus A, that will be 10 minus 2A over h, and now AB square plus AC square, it will be BC square by Pythagoras theorem, and AB is 10 minus 2A over h square plus AC is 4 over h square, it is equal to BC is 2A over h square, and h square will get cancelled, and it is 10 minus 2A square plus 4 square is equal to 2A square, and it is 100 plus 4A square minus 2 times 10 times 2A will be 40A plus 16, it is equal to 4A square, and 4A square will get cancelled. So it is 100 minus 40A plus 16 is equal to 0, and 100 plus 16 is 116 minus 40A, it is 0. So 40A, it will be 116, and A, it will be 116 over 40, that will be 29 over 10, and we get A is 29 over 10, and we have AC is 4 over h and BC is 2a over h. We have AC is 4 over h and BC it is 2a over h. That will be 2 times A is 29 over 10 over h and 2 times 5 is 10, so it will be 29 over 5h. And now sin x, it will be perpendicular, that is AC, over hypotenuse, that is BC, and AC is 4 over h over BC is 29 over 5h. And h will get cancelled, so sin x it is 4 over 29 over 5 and it will be 4 times 5 over 29 and it is 20 over 29, so x it will be sin inverse 20 over 29. X it is sin inverse 20 over 29